Hey, it's Krista with WTI. I'm usually hesitant to blind buy fragrances online, but I took a chance on this Bella Vita honey, and it was literally love at first smell for me. In my opinion, the honey scent is definitely the main character of the fragrance, but the combination of vanilla, citrus, and woody notes all really play strong supporting roles. The pump distributes a fine but generous amount of perfume with each spray. Initially, the scent is strong, but it dries down much softer. The oud is activated by body heat, so I like to apply this perfume to the warmer areas of my body, like the inner elbow, behind the ear, on my neck and chest, to really make it last all day. I'm a firm believer that if I smell good, I feel good. And with this Bella Vita honey perfume, you'll enjoy a rich, expensive smelling fragrance without breaking the bank. And that's my point of view.